like, you want a high five or your hands clean? She's like, fucking, it's like, why, because I'm racist? Yeah, I'm from the South. We still have fucking 2,500 acres that fucking used to run them bitches on. That's cool.
That's cool.
Just the whole idea. I mean, yeah, in all actuality, with morals and shit, that's probably a pretty fucked up thing to even talk about. But you know what? They did man, you just led me on to a different one. Sorry. No, they did a fucking study recently, like, I think it was like 2008. They tested like 5,000 fucking niggers, right? Test their blood and all that shit. See how much Africanized they really still are. Out of 5,000 niggers, you know what percent has any race or trace of African ancestry? 4%. They're not fucking Africans no more. They're Americans. You know what I mean?
And that was Anthony's talk on race.
Dude, you're a cunt.